Meet Lisa and Mike in their car workshop. Being mechanics by heart, they love taking care of especially tricky problems. Using the right tool for the job is crucial for effective first-time repair. But every now and then, the right tool for the job is missing. Buying a special tool you only need twice a year? Not exactly economical. Luckily, there is the Bosch Loan Tool Program, a subscription service where you can borrow dedicated special tools upon request and reduce your investment, especially for infrequently used tools. And this is how it works. Browse the Bosch Loan Tool stock list online and place your orders. We will ship the tools within 24 hours. Lisa and Mike use the tools to get their service job done. The usual loan period is 5 days. After that, they clean it and send it back. After return, we inspect the tool and prepare it for next use. Plus, all loans and shipping charges are included in the affordable annual subscription fee. This way, Lisa and Mike can always offer the best possible service to their customers without large investment costs or the need to store rarely used tools.